fresh lap Roebling Road Raceway, our session 3, downshifting into third gear. You need to carry your entry speed, which I could be doing a better job of, but nonetheless, going to continue on running, hitting the apex at least, more or less. It's better to run that turn wide. Coming into turn 3 into 4. Nice little apex there. Gas, gas, gas. Maintenance throttle. Gas, gas, gas. Exit out of there. 5 into 6. Running wide a little bit here to cut it in. Hit the apex. Gas, gas, gas. Definitely can work on that one. Run wide, cut it back in. Maintenance, cut it in. Gas, gas, gas. Definitely can improve there. Have all that track to throttle out. And this one need to come in wider. Gas, gas, gas. Was running minute 28s, minute 30s, minute 28 about this lap, and the next one following this rider. At least being able to see what I can do. It's always better to have a faster rider in front of you to give you a tow, and these two definitely gave me a much needed tow. Even though that they were definitely a little bit of distance from me, I could kind of judge the speed at which they were entering the corners. Definitely lost some time there. Trying to play catch up. Decent catch up there. Yep, and bike is leaving me now. Trying to play catch up. Gas, gas, gas. Out of the apex. Let's go. Seems like I might have been a touch faster in the middle of the track, and they're a little bit faster towards the end of the track and into the beginning. This is my second time at Roebling Road. First time was last year, and this time was 3/12, March 12th. That's Sunday. Didn't get to go to the Saturday. Gas, gas, gas. Downshift into 3. Probably could even downshift into 4th gear to carry a little bit more speed on my gearing. Yeah, I could probably be in 4th, but I was in 3rd. Could have shifted into there. Other laps I did shift. Felt a lot better. Shift down into 3rd there. Bunch of 3rd to 6th gear. That's where you're at. Average speed of the track, if you're good, around 90 miles an hour. Coming out of 8. Definitely gas that more. Coming into 9. Definitely can let that run wide and cut it in the inside. Accelerate, accelerate, full send, full send.